My husband and I were on our way to South Carolina, and even though we had half a tank of gas, my husband decided, you know what, I don't know what's going to happen on the highway. I'm just going to pull into the gas station I go to every day, fuel up the rest of the way. We had just fueled up, got a green turn arrow, got onto 27, and as seconds after getting onto 27, my husband sees a flash of light seconds before someone slams into us. So they weren't even looking, and they hit us at full speed. And a couple years ago, I was at a community event. They were giving away complete turkey Thanksgiving dinners. And I met a man named CJ, and he worked for the Brooks Law Firm. And they were all the nicest people I had ever met, and I had never been through legal people that weren't stuffy and uptight, and you know. So when this happened to me, I went digging through my purse hoping that I still had that card. I knew it was Brooks. Jasmine, that poor woman, I had so many questions, and I would hang up with her, and 3 hours later I'd think of something, and she either answered right away or she got back to me within an hour or two. So the communication, no matter how silly the question was or how anxious I was, and you know what, it's the same thing. It's like talking to a neighbor, a family member. Man, Brooks is like your family. They took care of you, and they never made you feel bad about the decisions that you've made, that those decisions are exactly any normal person would make. And I'm beyond satisfied, and I would not hesitate to recommend them. If you want somebody who's going to treat you like a person, not like a file, this is where you want to be, because they're going to guide you every step of the way and help you with everything.